What's up, YouTube? So I have a 30 horsepower Mercury 4-stroke EFI outboard, and I have a whaler here. I got it and someone half converted it into a center console, and my main issue was, you can see here, they had the throttle mounted right here and it was sticking out. Not only was it in the way, but it was also driving with the left hand, and it was just, I had to change it. So I bought another one, and I couldn't really tell what the difference was between first gen and second gen. There wasn't anything really clear, so I'm going to show you guys. Alright, so here's the first gen. It's probably what you guys have. Cable, this little part goes in here, and then each cable kind of clips in to its own spot, and that's what works. Alright, so this is that end that you just saw. The issue is, so it fits on the controls, like it fits over the hole, but there's nothing here to hold it in its correct place. Like, you would have to jimmy rig it, and like, I'm sure you can make it work, but like, I'm not trying to jimmy rig my throttle and transmission control. Like, I'm just gonna buy the regular cable. So this is this, right? And this is the second gen. So you can see there's this little notch that's made to fit in there. It just like slides in, and that's what holds it. Whereas this, like, it, like, you know, so this is the correct one. And then follow it, and this is the other end. This is pretty much the exact same. So this will be an exact swap. At first I had it backwards, and this actually does fit on that end. I was like, what the heck? But I had it flipped, and this end goes on the motor. So that's that. I hope this helps you guys. I hope it clears stuff up. Well, the battery on my GoPro just died, so unfortunately the quality is going to be a little bit worse. So I disconnected the old cable. I'm going to go through, I'm going to unclip all the zip ties, and I'm going to feed this through. I'm going to show you how the mechanism works. Basically, they all just like get slid off of a pin. So I'll show you. Alright, no. Then everything just goes in reverse. That gets pushed in there, clip back up, this gets pushed on, and then you fit. Uh-oh.